Hey guys, these are the neck exercises that we talk about in the office, and if you haven't visited our office yet, I give a certain group of neck exercises and joint re-education exercises to help keep your atlas holding and your upper cervical spine in proper alignment. So we're going to go through those and I'm going to demonstrate them and explain to you exactly how they're done. So the first group of exercises are the shoulder rolls. Basically, you want to roll the shoulders backwards and forwards, but we're going to isolate it into two different directions. So going backwards, you want to do about 8 to 10 revolutions, and you want to do 3 times in that direction. Then, once you finish with those, then you want to go into the opposite direction, which now will be forward. Again, 8 to 10 revolutions, 3 times in that direction. After those exercises are done, then we want to go into the yeses and the nos. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the description of all these exercises written out as well, so you can not only follow along on the video, but you can also read how these are done. So the yeses and the nos, we're going to break those up into 4 different movements, starting with the yeses. Flexion and extension. So if I start with the extension, I'm going to raise my chin and lift my head back, and then come back to the neutral position. We want to hold those stretches for 8 to 10 deep breaths, or we want to hold it for 20 seconds, whichever is easier for you to count. Once you finish that, doing it 3 times up, then we're going to go to the flexion, which is tucking the chin to the chest. Again, we want to do those for 8 to 10 seconds, or 8 to 10 deep breaths, or 20 seconds, which is easier for you to count. After that, then we can move into the nose. We're going to do left and then right. Then coming back to the neutral position each time, again, 8 to 10 deep breaths or 20 seconds. Do 3 times in that direction before moving to the other direction. And then back to neutral. Again, I keep repeating it, 8 to 10 deep breaths or 20 seconds in that direction. 3 times each direction. Now, the last group of exercises are the neck glide, or aka the turtle. So I'm going to turn to the side so that you can see how these are done. We want to keep the chin level and parallel with the floor, and we want to just extend the head straight out. And then coming back to the neutral position each time. 8 to 10 deep breaths or 20 seconds. 3 times in that direction, and then we go in the opposite direction, which we want to give ourselves a double chin. And then come back to the neutral position. Again, 8 to 10 deep breaths or 20 seconds, doing 3 times in each direction. Now, these are going to help stretch out those small muscles, ligaments, and tendons in the cervical spine, especially at the level of the atlas. Now, if doing these exercises they cause you any additional pain, please discontinue them until I can see you do them here in the office. If this is your first time visiting our website, please do not do these until you can have someone evaluate your cervical spine to see if these are going to be the right exercises for you. For those of you that are already currently visiting our office, keep doing a good job at them, and we'll check in with you periodically in the office to see how you're progressing. Thank you, and have a nice day.